Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is a 4-hour chart of DXY, and we have seen further downside on the chart of DXY. And we have been talking about the critical support level of 102.40 to 102 level. And as we can see right now that DXY is standing at the critical support zone here. But if we observe the chart carefully, then things are not very much positive for DXY. Though it is standing at the support zone, but we can see that market does not have the strength, market does not have the power to go up, to bounce from here. Try to understand the market psychology. Okay, so if we try to understand the body language of DXY here, then things are still very much bearish, and there is a further possibility of DXY going down. Okay, so if DXY breaks the level of 102.00, then the next level for DXY will be around 101.50. This will be the next important support for DXY, the Fibonacci 50% retracement level. As of now, DXY is struggling to maintain its position to maintain the overall setup. Okay, but the chart looks like under the dominance of sellers. So let's see where the DXY goes, or where the DXY proceeds as the day goes on. And if we look at the chart of Euro USD, then yes, we have seen a good rally, good recovery on the chart of Euro dollar for the last couple of days. In fact, I was going through this article. Euro USD sources laggard talks of hikes, says ECB will exit negative rates in Q3. Euro USD source on Monday and reaches its best level in nearly 4 weeks. Euro gains are supposed by broad-based US dollar weakness, DXY, and hawkish ECB commentary. So if DXY breaks the level of 102 and starts falling, then we will see further upside on the chart of Euro USD. So DXY's movement will also be very important. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us. So let's talk about the important levels one by one. First of all, 1.06, or let's consider 1.0700. That would be better. 1.0700. I'm talking about the high made by the market yesterday. We have a high made by the market yesterday, and if we look at the daily chart also, okay, or if I take you to the daily chart, then you can see that we have also a resistance in the form of a pivot line, or if you pronounce it as pivot, then yes, it's pivot. Okay, so we have a resistance around 1.0700. So if DXY breaks the level of 102 and starts falling, then we will also see further upside on Euro USD, or Euro USD breaking the resistance of 1.0700, and we can take a buy position. So if Euro USD breaks this level and starts going up, and DXY also starts falling at the same time, you can take a buy position above 1.0700, and at least you can expect a profit of 40 to 50 pips on the chart of Euro USD. Here, this is our opportunity number 1 on the chart right now. As you can see, Euro USD is showing some sort of correction right now, but the present trend of the market is bullish, so I will suggest you to avoid any buy position. Okay, as long as we have small time corrections going on in the chart, please try to avoid. You do not need to trade every time. A trader only trades when the opportunity is right, and most importantly, we need to protect our hard-earned money, our capital as well. So we need to act as traders, not gamblers. So the second trading opportunity is 1.0640. This is our opportunity number 2. and this is a minor support. My dear friends, again I'm saying this is a minor support, not a very strong support of the market. And why we are considering this level? Because this was the previous resistance. Usually we see in the market, okay, resistances become support and support become resistances in the market. So if the correction continues in the market, and there is a good chance, good possibility that Euro USD will try to bounce from the 1.0640 level. So when market will be coming down to this particular level of 1.0640, observe the market, because this is not a strong level. Observe the market and see how the market is reacting. If you see that market is taking support, there is price rejection from below, you get the confirmation that yes, the previous resistance is acting as the new support, and you can go for a buy position. Okay, and in case the correction continues, market breaks this level, then your next important level will be 1.0610. You need to observe the market at this level. Why this level? Because this is our Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. If the same situation continues in the market, there is a good chance that market will try to take support around this level and market will be bouncing. So what is the reliability? The reliability is medium. Okay. The reliability of this level is low, but the reliability of 1.0610 is medium. Okay, so whatever it is, follow proper risk management. My analysis can be wrong as well, so do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Follow proper risk management. If required, use the position size calculator as well. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. After all, I'm also a learner. Bye bye. Take care.